Navigating new languages can be tough, but modern tech offers powerful solutions. Today, we're pitting two top-tier translation devices against each other, the Vasco Translator E1 and the Timekettle WT2 Edge. Both promise seamless communication, but which one truly delivers for your needs? The Vasco E1 is a dedicated, standalone translator, meaning no phone connection is required for its core functions. It boasts impressive accuracy across many languages, making it a reliable companion for travelers exploring off-grid locations. Its intuitive interface prioritizes ease of use. The Timekettle WT2 Edge takes a different approach, focusing on natural two-way conversations through its earbud design. It excels in real-time, face-to-face interactions, allowing for a more fluid exchange. This device leverages your smartphone for its processing power and connectivity. The E1 shines with its independence and screen-based translation, ideal for quick phrases or reading signs. It's perfect for solo adventurers or those who prefer a device without relying on their phone. The WT2 Edge, however, excels in dynamic dialogues. Its earbud form factor facilitates hands-free, natural conversations, making it a favorite for business meetings or immersive cultural exchanges. While it needs a phone, its specialized conversational modes are unmatched. If you prioritize a self-sufficient device for diverse travel scenarios, the Vasco E1 is a strong contender. For fluid, real-time, two-way conversations and hands-free interaction, the Timekettle WT2 Edge offers a superior experience. Your ideal translator depends on your primary use case.